Whatever happened to your favorite foods from childhood?
You got your Dunkaroos, WWE bars, high-C ecto coolers. Essentially, our entire childhood has been discontinued. Do you miss those iconic foods from childhood that you just can't seem to track down?
Well, we're here to fix that. I'm Brenda.
And I'm Vaughn.
We're tasty producers that miss our childhoods.
And we're on a mission to track down these forgotten recipes, recreate them from scratch, and bring it back now, y'all.
So let's explore
the discontinued. Mine was the Nestlé Wonder Ball.
You know what? That's something that today's kids would just never know.
I think that we should try to figure out what happened to the Wonder Ball and then see if we can get our hands on one and make one.
Make one?
You get on the computer, I'll get on the phone. Let's do this. Hello, Candy Police. This is C.
What?
Okay, Brenda, it came out as the Magic Ball, a chocolate sphere with a toy inside of it, but there was an FDA rule that said you can't combine candy with toys. This is why we cannot have nice things. Essentially, it got discontinued, and then
it was brought back. Check this out. Inside, there was freaking candy. No longer toys.
I remember when I was a young girl trying to... What would happen if we tried to get one here from another country?
Oh, forget it. That's illegal. You know how much you're gonna be fined with? $2,500, Vaughn. Right there, says it right there. Okay, so this is the deal. We can no longer have chocolate with toys.
Right.
So guess what, man? We're gonna have to make it.
We're gonna have to make it.
Let's do it.
Okay. How are we gonna do it? What makes up the ball? It's like literally just chocolate.
Toy.
That's it.
That's it. Unbelievable.
The more you know. Wait, what kind of chocolate are we gonna use though?
We're gonna need someone who's super familiar with that taste.
Betsy.
Oh, you guys have gotta be kidding me. This is like my childhood in every shape or form. This is so cool.
So, this is a tablecloth.
I feel so defenseless.
We know you're a Wonder Ball 90s enthusiast. We want you to pick the chocolate that most closely resembles that of the childhood favorite.
I'm ready for this.
Y'all's queen.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's good.
Sounds good.
All right, girl, keep stuffing
number
yourself.
2.
Okay.
That's okay? Now, chocolate number 3.
Oh yeah, no. Hands down, the first one. When I think of like the Nestlé Wonder Ball, I think of milk chocolate.
Right.
And this is definitely milk chocolate. I believe in
100%.
I believe in you guys.
You believe in us, Betsy?
Yeah, I mean, you have to do this for me. I'm counting on you to bring back literally an edible piece of my childhood.
All right.
Okay, that's enough.
Get out of here. Get out of here. We got a job to do.
Wait, can I take one of these
No.
though?
No.
Are you serious?
She took all etch sketch. All right, I've got these.
Ooh, that's really good.
Let's get going, shall we? We want this to be as easy as possible, so literally just chips in the bowl, microwave, stir, pour.
Microwave is the way.
I'll be right back.
All right.
I'm gonna just whip this guy in here, stir it around a little bit. So I think for this one, we should do the Alvin Magic Chocolate Ball. I don't really know how to do that, but we'll figure it out. So we've got this guy.
Yeah. All right, so close them.
Let's do this. Okay.
And go around.
All right, okay.
Okay.
I think we're pretty good.
I think it's freezing time.
Okay.
Okay.
No!
At least we can stuff it with the toy.
I think what I'm gonna do is just take a little bit of chocolate in each, and I'm just gonna kind of swirl it around. That is thick, mama. Thick with 3 C's and spaces in between the C's. I'm gonna go freeze these. So I'm gonna try to get these out. I don't know if it's gonna work. It's still a little too thin around the edges there, so we're gonna have to work pretty quickly.
This looks like failure.
I think that we're gonna have to reinforce like around here I think it's fine. I'm gonna go freeze these. We're gonna do another layer after that. It's not super pretty on the inside. This is like the thick, double reinforced ones.
I mean, ooh.
Oh my God, I cracked it a little bit.
But that's perfect. It's still holding
Okay,
on.
it's perfect. I want it to be even perfecter. Oh my God, Let's put a toy in there. That's amazing. I think what we need to do to seal it is melt kind of each half. Okay. Give me a toy.
There it
Quickly.
is.
Quickly. Okay.
Close it, close it.
Oh, but I feel like this side needs to be a little bit melty too. Okay, okay. I like this. I think we can make it even more magical than this. It's fine. It's not amazing.
Right now she's gonna think it was like kindergarten work.
This one looks like it's gonna come out. Yas.
So go about it, maybe use some extra chocolate to sort of like a glue, chocolate glue. Let's go in with the glue and see what happens.
Okay.
But I honestly think this is
Okay, good.
Okay,
We gotta
we
get
got
the
the
toy in
other.
there. Toy, toy.
Where was
We can't
it?
forget the damn toy. Oh, that's a cute one. Oh, that's heavy. Okay. Brenda, I think she's beautiful. Brenda! Betsy needs to see this. I want her to open it. All right, Brenda, who's the least clumsy out of both of us?
I just tripped. I
Oh,
think you should go.
So that's me. Yes. All right.
Ladies first. This is
If
it.
I drop this, my life is
It's
over.
your fault.
Want to see what surprises hide inside your
Yeah.
Wonder Ball?
Wait,
Okay.
this feels, this is like,
Yeah.
this is so cool.
Open it.
I'm just gonna crack it open. It's like a chocolate dinosaur egg. Oh, cool, what?
It's all yours.
Yay.
Oh my gosh.
It's a little cone.
You gotta give it that
Yeah.
bite.
How does it taste?
This is like better than the Nestle Wonder Balls that I had as a kid.
Yes.
It's a cat donut car.
Cat donut car.
Two of my favorite things.
Oh, come on, Brenda, get in
I'm so
here.
glad you liked
This is the best Friday ever.
Aw.
I think our work here is done.
I think so.